Okay, I'm going to show you how to use proxy chains to have it proxy to the Tor service, which would then pretty much make you anonymous and really hard for your ISP to track what you're viewing or where you're coming from, etc. Basically, you're going to want to edit your your proxychains.conf file. And uncomment the dynamic chain. You want to be able to use dynamic chains, that way you can do multiple connections at once, rather from different locations rather. Then just comment out your strict chain if you decide to do that. Uncomment this so that it doesn't leak any DNS data. And then basically I just added a line right here, which is just for SOCKS 5s. That way it ports over all the SOCKS 5 connections to the Tor service. This is just my machine, the local address. And save it and then exit. And then install, or not install, but start Tor. If you don't have Tor, you should probably install it or it won't work. And you can check to see what the status is by doing the same thing. There you go. And then it's really simple. Proxy chains. I'll do this. Just this, I guess. Basically, it's just proxy chains, and then the program you want to execute is the usage. And I'm just gonna run Firefox. Oops. Oh well. Let's just do that. Since I typed it wrong. You should be able to see that a good bit of the connections are working just fine. Which, as you see here, I'll do what is my IP. Most search engines now will just tell you what your external IP is, and that is not me. That's for sure. And I can probably just hopefully see where this is coming from, just to prove to you. It's probably like in Europe somewhere. You see it's a little slower than normally browsing, but I imagine with the whole net neutrality thing that a lot more people are going to be willing to be a Tor node. And the more nodes that Tor has, the quicker it becomes, right? Oops. Piece of crap. Yeah, I hate doing who is online. In fact, we'll just do this. Such a pain in the ass to do who is right there. So we'll just do proxychains who is. And then it will just tell me. Hopefully. Yeah, this is the who is information. And it's in Germany. Dusseldorf. I don't know where that is. But I am not in Germany. That's 100% sure. So there you go. Through using proxychains and Tor, you can use any program you want, and it will be proxied through Tor, thus making it pretty anonymous, and they won't really be able to throttle you or anything like that, or block you from viewing certain sites. They'll probably be able to throttle you a little bit, maybe. I don't know how that works. Anyway.